Daddy get a bite?
Bubby got to get a bite.
You gonna get Daddy a bite?
Get it, Bubby. It's okay.
He's just grabbing little tiny pieces.
He smashed the one earlier. I don't know what his problem is.
You gonna give Daddy a bite?
What, while I was at school, Mom?
The one that he had his pictures done with. Get it. Get it, buddy. The one I got his pictures done with was only a single layer, too. That's a 2-layer. No, Bink. That's not even a Bink. That's just icing, buddy. Get the cake, Tanner.
Why don't you just throw it on him, Mom? He's not going to win the world.
Get it, buddy. Get it, Tanner.
Slam it. Uh-oh, there he goes with his hair thing.
Get it. Get your cake.